Hey guys, so today I played Minecraft after a long time I wasn't play, and today I will play survival. So I'm spawn and I'll start with getting wood. I'll get more wood. Guys, I want to tell you about my sponsor today. It's called SoundUp. It's a new startup. SoundUp actually can change your keyboard sound by, and you will customize your own sound to your keyboard. It costs $9. Uh, 8, sorry, and I buy it and it's super cool. I will leave a link in the description to buy it. Okay, I'll keep surviving. Oh, I need food. Okay. Food. There is no chickens or something here. What's going on? Okay, I'll take stick. I'll take my crafting table and pigs. Piggy, hey little pig. Now I will have to find stone and more food. Hey guys. Yay. Hey, little pig. Boom. Okay, now I will found stone because I need, and also chickens is good. Oh, dessert. Yes. Okay, now I will take some. What is going on in here? Oh. Okay. Can I zoom here? Zoom in here? Nope. Never mind. I will break down. Oh, stone. This was fast. I didn't get I got nothing, right? Yes, I got nothing. I forgot how can I get stone. So how? I don't know. I didn't use pickaxe, maybe? Yes. I didn't use a pickaxe. Hey, stone. Oh, good. More. I need more. Okay. Good. Okay, how much I have? I need more 2 stones. Okay, oh, 9. So I need a 9. Oh, never mind. Okay, I need to throw things up. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, this is good. Now I will make more things up, and after that I need to build a house. Okay, I got what I need. Yes, now it's getting night, and I have to get house. So I make this and this, and I will have to use okay, I make my house, and no torches. Okay, perfect. This is my only lights. Okay. The last one. Oh. Where is it? Oh. This is a zombie, maybe. For part 2, follow. Bye.